Hey nature lovers, have you ever wondered what makes hawks so incredible? Let's dive into some mind-blowing hawk facts. First up, did you know that hawks have vision that is 8 times better than humans? Imagine being able to see a rabbit from 2 miles away. Their eyes are specifically designed for spotting prey from great distances. Speaking of prey, hawks are expert hunters. They can dive at speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. Their powerful talons and beaks make them formidable predators. But it's not all about hunting. Hawks are also known for their incredible flying skills. They can soar high in the sky for hours without flapping their wings, using thermal currents to stay aloft. This not only conserves energy, but also gives them a perfect vantage point to scout for food. Oh, and get this, hawks are monogamous. They mate for life. Talk about relationship goals, right? Both parents are involved in raising their chicks, sharing the responsibilities equally. Hawks also have an amazing way of communicating. They use a variety of calls and sounds to interact with each other. Each species has its own unique set of calls, almost like a language. Lastly, let's not forget their role in the ecosystem. As apex predators, hawks help control the population of small animals, maintaining a healthy balance in nature. Without them, we'd see a significant impact on our environment. So, next time you spot a hawk soaring high above, take a moment to appreciate these incredible creatures. They're truly nature's marvels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing nature facts. See you next time.